Hello, second graders, time for mathematics. All right, time for math. So today, you got the sheet for today. You can see that. Tear this off here. Start off, we're going to do one page of word problems. And then page 2 are some more 2 word problems and then just some problems on the bottom. It's subtracting with regrouping and borrowing. And they're all 200 minus something. So that this is all going to be review. So I'm going to back up right now. Just go over this front page. Remember on the word problems, do your best to see what it's actually asking. All right? So number 1, I'm going to read it to you, and then we'll talk about it. Okay? Don't try not to just rush, take the numbers and add them up or subtract them or whatever you need to do. Think about the problem. Think. That's what we need to learn in second grade, is how to just think about them. Okay, here we go. Number 1. Parker and Natu go to the store to buy sunglasses. Sunglasses. Okay. Parker pays $9. Okay. How much did Parker pay? $9. $9. Natu pays $6 more than Parker. How much does Natu pay for his sunglasses? Okay, so if Parker paid $9 and Natu paid $6 more than Parker, then we need to know how much Natu paid for his sunglasses. Okay, now before you just jot it down and start working, add or subtract, think about it. Just think about it. Use your thinkers. Okay? You'll figure it out. You'll figure it out real quick. Okay? So do the first page. You guys got this. All right, page 2 are all word problems with 200. Notice I put this so you can see the 200 above it. Okay, number 1, I'm going to read to you. There are 200 water bottles. There are 200 water bottles on a table. The runners in a race take 73 of them. So there's 200 on a table. The runners come by and they're grabbing them. And they take 73. How many water bottles are left on the table? We started off with 200, and the water bottles took 73 of them. So you should know whether or not we need to add or subtract, right? Don't say, is it plus or minus? Think about it. 200 on a table. And then the runners come by and take 73 of them. How many are left? Think about it. Okay. It's minus on this one, right? Because I'm going to work at this on the board. Just to remind you, please watch if you can't remember how to do the borrowing part when we have a number like 200, okay? We've done this before, so this is review, but a lot of us struggled with this one, okay? Here we go. Let me find my black marker. All right, 200 minus 73, right? Can you guys all see that? Okay, if I have, remember we start on this side and go this way. Remember when we read, we go this way. When we subtract, we go this way. This way. To subtract. Reading, this way. I gotta come up with a dance and a song for that. Okay. So if I have, remember we do one column at a time. If we have 0 water bottles, 0 waters, is that water bottles? 0 water bottles, can you take 3 away? If I have none, can you take 3 from me? No, so we need to borrow. So this 0 turns into a 10, right? We borrowed a 10. Oh, there's a 0 here too. So we gotta go one more over. So this whole 20 turns into a 19, right? 20, what's 1 less than 20? 19, right? 20 minus 1, 19. We should know that, right? So we got 19. Okay. Now we know how to do the rest. Okay? Please pay attention to how we do this. 10 minus 3. Think about it. 10 take away or minus 3. So 10, 9, 8, 7. 7. Okay, 9 minus 7. Remember to write neatly so your columns line up. 9 minus 7. 2. And then we have a 1 here. There's nothing here, so we just drop that down. 127. And label. Here's a trick question. The label. Look at it again. Is it runners? Water bottles, right? The question asked, how many water bottles are left on the table? Water bottles, depending on where you're from. So there you go. That's math. You guys got this? Okay? The 200s, get these done. Get them back to me. I miss you guys. I hope you're all doing well. I'd really rather be looking out at the classroom at all of you and seeing your smiling faces. And your faces giving me a hard time. But I hope you're all doing well. And we'll get back. We'll do the read aloud next. It's just a reading today. And then we'll practice some cursive. See you soon.